Hey guys, it's boy Johan and welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I have a product which is very essential if you are taking care of your sneakers. So without wasting any further guys, let's get started. Recently, while I was using Paytm, I got a coupon. From that, there was a coupon which is from Shoe Mistri that if you purchase few of the products, you'll get it an offer. So I have bought a few of the essential things for my shoe care, which are these. The packaging looks in this way, came in Amazon cover, but I've purchased it from their website. So I'll put the link in the description below. So if you want to purchase it out, do check out their official website, or also you could buy it on it from Amazon or Flipkart as well. So this is the Shoe Mistri shoe cleaning wipes. There are 20 wipes for you to use. So this is how the box is. One is that, and another one is the Shoe Mistri shoe deodorant. The box is pretty much damaged though, so this is how it is. These are the two products I have purchased from their website, and the reason why I have bought these two products, because firstly, talking about this product, I really wanted a spray which can kill bad odors from my sneakers. As I have a stinky feet, I really wanted to test out this product personally, because I have tested a lot of sprays from different brands and I did not get good results from any of those. So I just ordered this, and the second one was the shoe cleaning wipes, which was really essential for me. I was about to buy from a different brand, so later on when I've checked their website and I've seen they have their own cleaning wipes, so I thought, why not, let's try this wipes. The MRP of this product is 500 and the MRP of this spray is 400. So if you buy it online, you can get it around 600 to 800, but I have purchased it around 250 to 300 rupees. Shoe deodorant spray from Shoe Mistri. This is how it looks. This is the fresh apple. You get a two flavor. One is teeth tree, and this is the fresh apple spray. Smells really apple. Let me open this product. I'll show you. You have 20 wipes in it, so you can tear it over here straight away like this, and you can take out one wipes like this. As simple as it is. So this is how the product is, and I have tested out on my Puma Ferrari, as you already know it. You guys already know it on my previous video how beaten up the shoe was, and after using it, I have tested it out, guys. Frankly speaking, I have tested it out, and right now this is how neatly this looks. This shoe, both of the pairs have used, and there was a lot of dust and dirt on this shoe, but right now looks really neat and clean. If I tell you frankly, this is your instant cleaner. Whenever you go on travel or whenever you go outside, and whenever if there is any dirt sticks on your shoes, at that time you can use this product to wipe it off, and it works wonder, guys. And on this box it is written that you can use it on suede, nubuck, mesh, knit, canvas, and all other leather shoes as well. On any kind of shoe materials you can use this, and also if you want, you can also use it to clean your helmets or any other leather bags as well. So yeah, this is your go-to cleaning wipes to clean your shoes. I have not expected this well, because I have tested most of the products from different brands to remove the odors from my sneakers, because as I said you before, I have a stinky feet, and that irritates me a lot when I remove my feet off from the sneakers. So it stings really bad, guys, really bad. So before testing it out, these badminton shoes, these are my badminton shoes. To know the real effect of these sprays, I have tested it on my badminton shoes, and you know, if you play badminton or any sports, if you're wearing any kind of shoes on any games, you know how bad the smell of the shoes are. I have tested it on my badminton shoes. About getting this product, I have tested it out, and this product works wonders, guys. It literally removes the bad odor coming out from these shoes or any other shoes, and you can use it in almost any kind of shoes. Even if you talk about the leather shoes, sports shoes, canvas, or any Chelsea boots. Even I do have Chelsea boots. I have used this product on this Chelsea boots. I have even used it on these Puma Ferrari shoes, and I have experienced in other products, when you use these kinds of sprays, where you get a bit of itchiness. Particularly this spray does not give you those kind of irritations and all, and it quickly eliminates bad odors. All you have to do is just take your shoe, spray it. Okay, also you can spray it outside. Yeah, it killed. Also, you can use it over here. Also, it is not like I'm just showing you in front of this camera, I mean giving you the promotion. Nah, this is not a promotion, guys. This is brought for my own personal usage. This is not a promotion video. Before making this video, I have tested it out several times, these products both, so I'm not faking you. Do purchase it out, and I can smell it now cleanly. See, green apple smell. So I literally recommend you guys, if you have a stinky feet, if your sneaker smells really bad, really bad, I mean really bad. I know most of you guys face this issue. If you face a bad odor from your sneakers, I personally recommend Shoe Mistri shoe deodorant spray to use. And if you want to clean your shoes on the go, this is the product you need to test it out. This is the Shoe Mistri shoe cleaning wipes. So I'll put the link in the description below, so you can check their official website and you can purchase these products. And they have a lot of products as cleaning kits, combos, whatnot. So do check out their website and purchase. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, do comment down if you have any queries, and I see you in my next video, guys. Until then, bye bye. 'Cause we're aiming high.